Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. This is Felicity D. In today's video I will be showing you how to keep your hair moisturized in protective style. I have this braid. I have had it in for 2 weeks, and if you look at my scalp, it looks well moisturized, very moisturized, and I wanted to share with you what I do to keep it moisturized. So let's get to the video. I usually moisturize my braids once a week, so I take the time to go through the process so that my natural hair can retain the moisture to promote hair growth whilst my hair is tucked away in these braids. For the first step, I will apply the Super Growth Hair Formula on my scalp. Now this formula contains grease and oil. It has sulfur 8, virgin hair fertilizer, Do Grow Hair Vitalizer, and black castor oil. This formula works effectively for promoting fast hair growth. I will leave a link to the video of the Super Growth Hair Formula in the description below, so please take the time to watch if you have not already. So I make sure to apply this formula in between each braid and gently massage my scalp. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate to drop it down below. And don't forget to tap that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another upload from me. To my old subscribers, thanks for always stopping by. I appreciate you all. The second step is to apply your favorite moisturizer. So in this bottle, I have my moisturizer and water, that is 1:1 ratio. So I spray my braids and gently squeeze it in, trying to reach my hair strands. Now this is great for moisture retention, leading to less breakage or shedding when it is time to take out your protective style. As you can see, I'm not just applying the moisturizer to the top section of my braids, but to the ends as well. This is because of the length of my natural hair. I'm making sure my ends are moisturized. Also, don't forget to moisturize the very ends of your hair. Once you are done moisturizing your hair, you can go ahead and style your hair, or if it is too damp, just leave it to air dry. I love the way my hair feels after moisturizing. Thanks for watching.